Hey, good morning. Day 9. We're just along here, 1/3 of the way done. We've got here, I wanted to show you this. This is a brand new closet. Okay. And I've got my boot tray in there. And we've just finished the baseboard. We're working on the trim to move the doors around. And I just wanted to show you that. And I'm going to show you what's happening in our house. We needed some extra space to hang things and the front door entrance. And this was actually just a wall. And we were hanging hooks and stuff on the wall and just making it into one big mash. And you can see we've still got things hanging on this door here to the laundry area. And we need things like dog leashes and lights because it's dark out here, extra walking vests and mitts. And anyway, we needed all this stuff at the door several times a day. And the other closet's over here, and I'm going to show that to you in a second. So we took a piece out of the kitchen. And yeah, I know, it's a big deal. Big kitchen. So it was part of the pantry storage on the other side. So we rearranged this. It's taking, gosh, maybe 6 weeks now to get it going. But we got lights in, we got a rod, we got a shelf just like everything else. And I'm just ready to stack it. Now I've got one box in there, and I think we talked about this already about purchasing storage boxes. If they're up high like that, it really is better if they're clear or they've got some kind of a sign on it. This closet is going to be for seasonal necessities in and out, as well as a guest closet. And so we're going to try and keep it as neat as possible. The famous words, right? But I also wanted to show you this. We've got this to go in. This is, I'm going to have to just move the tripod a little bit here. I know we got stuff here for the dog walk, but what happened, this is a little thing that opens up. Can you see in there? There's shoes here. Those are 5 pairs of shoes, and there's 4 in the bottom. I'm going to just move that down a bit for you here. Okay, so they hold a lot of space, and we've got a dark colored one here and a light one around, and we're going to nail those into our new closet to try and keep the shorter shoes taken care of, and the taller boots that you saw on the boot tray. But you'll figure out whatever works for you. So we've got went about 10 paces. I want you to see this closet. We moved here 2 years ago, and there's one closet on the entire ground floor of this house. And you'll see it's got the central vac in there. It's got seasonal storage. It's got the cushions from the outside chairs. You know what I'm doing this week, and not just one day. I know it's going to take a little bit more time, but we're going to put this here. Watch out for the dog. Okay, so this is what's happened. In fact, it bumps up against the rug here. Okay, this is one nightmare. What the other owners have done is they've put in extra shelves of that grid work, that covered metal, and then hung stuff off of that. So that's crazy nuts. Can you get it to see that? This is just swinging from the trees here. This one here got hooks on the sides, and you know, the seasonal goods, we really gotta get in here. Spare wine glasses in case we have a party. And of course, here's the other white one I showed you about. It shows got a lot more shoes in here. Whoops. And ready to go. Anyway, this is my project for this week. See, everybody has their problems. Every house has their stuff they don't want anybody to see. And when I go to people's houses and they say, "Hey, Kath, don't go in there," I know it's time to go in there and help them sort stuff out. And I've just posted a note the other day. If you want something to change, you have to change something. So let's get started. And let's get the things that surround us, our environment, tidied up in order for us to move ahead. Have a great day. I love your comments, and I love your pictures. And I've got my dog in one of these pictures now too. Have a great day, and we'll see you very soon. There she is.